Hi students, I am Neethu Mathew, Assistant Professor, Department of Human Resource Management, MES College, Marampally.
Today we are discussing about industrial relations, that is the basics of industrial relations. In this we are going through the definition of industrial relation, objectives of industrial relation, importance of industrial relation, functions of industrial relation, principles of industrial relation and all. Firstly, we can go to the definition of industrial relation. The term industrial relation explains the relationship between employees and the management which stem directly or indirectly from union employer relationship. That is the industrial relation is basically means the relationship between the employees and the employers. The main objectives of industrial relation are employer-employer relationship, industrial peace, industrial democracy. The first one is the employer-employee relationship. In this, the promotion and development of a harmonious relationship between the employer and the employees is the first and the most important aspect of industrial relation. It can be possible only through successful working to adopt collective bargaining, willingness to adopt voluntary arbitration, to have a strong, well organized, democratic, and responsible trade union and employers association. It can only be achieved through highly comfortable working conditions through voluntary and statutory means. Then the second one is industrial peace. In industrial peace is only possible by an appropriate government must have a sufficient power to refer the dispute to adjudication or arbitration when it feels it is necessary in the interest of industry or the nation. There must be provision of bipartite and tripartite forums for the settlement of dispute, a machinery for prevention and settlement of industrial dispute through legislative and administrative forces. Only these methods only we can make a very good industrial peace in the company. Then the third one is the industrial democracy. It means the employees must have a right and access to management in running, managing and controlling the industry. The management of the workers by the workers and for the workers. It can be achieved only through improving the working and living condition of the workers through mutual consultation and understanding, create an environment and climate for mutual trust and faith among the workers and management through industrial democracy. These three are the main objectives of industrial relation. The next one is the importance of industrial relation. There are mainly six importance for industrial relation. They are economic progress, industrial democracy, labor policies, collective bargaining, strong unions, and discipline. The first one is the economic progress. In this, industrial relations form an important plank of economic development planned for every civilized nation. Good industrial relation can take care of many economic problems like low profit, low productivity, low wages, and poor working conditions. The second one is the industrial democracy. It is a prerequisite of any country to achieve its socio-economic objective. Good industrial relations help in establishing and maintaining true industrial democracy. To give equitable rights and justice to everyone working in the industrial establishment is the essence of industrial democracy. Then the third one is the labor policies. The labor policies, the formulation and implementation of labor policies become more effective in good industrial relation. The state has to intervene in the labor management relationship by enacting various labor policies for the overall benefit of the workers and the progress of the industry. Then the next one is the collective bargaining. Collective bargaining is a negotiating process to come to mutual agreement between the management and the trade union. A healthy industrial relations make the process of collective bargaining as an educational opportunity, a chance to learn and teach each other with open-mindedness, trust, and confidence. Then the next one is strong unions. The strong trade unions are byproducts of healthy industrial relations. A good industrial relationship gives due recognition to trade union and encourage them to participate in all decisions. The last one is maintaining of discipline. In this, a good industrial relation boosts the discipline and morale of workers. Discipline ensures orderliness of effectiveness, harmony, and economy in the use of industrial resources. A good discipline also ensures cooperation and coordination. These six are the main importance of industrial relationship. Then the next one is functions of industrial relation. There are mainly six functions for industrial relations. The first one is the employer-employee relationship. In this, there should be a very smart wage and salary administration. If there should be a good employee and employer relationship, there should be employer's career prospect, promotion, and transfer plans are there. Good retirement benefit and medical facilities should be there. Also, training and development progress of the employee should be focused. These are the main uh, functions relating to the employee-employer relations. The next one is the labor management relation. These are the group relationship under which it has to ensure that there exists a strong collective bargaining machinery. Also, there should be prevailing of an efficient industrial dispute machinery. The provision for working of tripartite and bipartite dispute settling machinery should be there. There should be a good provision of welfare measures and fringe benefits, and there should be a proper system of health and safety as per the Factories Act. Then the next one is the industrial peace and productivity. In this, the company should try to maintain healthy and improved union management relations. They should ensure that there is no strike and go slow tactics. There should be no machineries to prevent lockout and layoff to secure the employee cooperation in improving the productivity. Also, they should ensure that there is a minimum mandate loss per year. They should take care of the retraining and redevelopment of surplus labors. These are the points coming under the industrial peace and productivity. The next one is the aspects of industrial democracy. In this, they have to enhance and improve the public relationship and to ensure formation of works committee and joint management councils. They should bring humanism and professionalism in the industry. Also, they should do the social orientation of the business. Then the last main function of industrial relation is liaison function. In this, they have a strong liaison with state and central government through labor department. They have to develop a strong liaison with local government authorities like labor officers, factory inspector, and all. They have to formulate and implement different healthy industrial relation policies both for the employees and the employers. They have to constant employees level of motivation and attitude survey. They have to participate in judicial and quasi-judicial settlement, machinery and correlation of the officer. These are the main functions of industrial relation. Then the next one is the principles of industrial relation. Basically, there are mainly three principles of industrial relation. They are the principle of mutual trust, respect, faith, understanding, and acceptance of responsibility on the part of both the employers and the employees. Then the second one is the principle of recognition of dignity and respect of each employee irrespective of one's status, position, caste, color, and nationality. Then the last one is the principle of understanding and cooperation between the various organizations of employers and employees. These all are the basic concepts coming under industrial relations. From this, we can conclude that industrial relations is also known as an employment-employee relationship between the organization is the versatile academic field that studies the employment relation, that is the complex interaction between employer and employees, and the trade union and the employer organization and the state. If there is a very good industrial relationship in the company, that is a very good industrial relationship between the employer and employees, the organization can achieve the goal very easily. Thank you.